Best gutter guards for homes. Which one wins among the top picks? If you're trying to find the best gutter guards for your home and don't want to waste money on something that barely works, this will give you a clear answer fast so you can choose the right option with confidence. Gutter guards all do the same basic job. They keep leaves and debris out of your gutter so water can flow properly. When gutters clog, water can overflow and cause damage to your roof, siding, and even your foundation. The goal isn't to make your gutters completely maintenance-free, but to reduce how often you need to clean them and prevent bigger problems. For most homes, metal mesh gutter guards are the safest overall choice. These use fine screens to block leaves while letting rainwater through, and they work well in a wide range of conditions. Homeowners often choose options like gutter glove or leaf guard because they balance durability, performance, and price. They're especially good if you deal with regular leaf buildup but not extreme debris. Surface-style gutter guards are another popular option. They sit on top of the gutter and guide water in while debris slides off the edge. They're usually made of metal and feel sturdy once installed. Products like raindrop gutter guard are often recommended for homeowners who want less frequent cleaning and a more rigid design. These work best on homes with standard roof angles and moderate rainfall. Brush and foam gutter guards are simpler and cheaper. Brush-style options like gutter brush are easy to install and fit inside the gutter, but they can trap dirt over time and need regular cleaning. Foam inserts work similarly and are best for light debris or short-term use rather than long-term protection. When choosing the best gutter guard for your home, think about your environment first. If you have lots of trees, metal mesh or surface-style guards usually perform the best. If you're on a budget or want something quick and temporary, brush or foam guards can work but expect more upkeep. No matter which type you choose, proper installation matters a lot. A poorly fitted guard won't perform well even if it's top-rated product. So which gutter guard wins overall? For most homes, metal mesh gutter guards offer the best mix of performance, durability, and value. Surface-style guards are a close second if you prefer a sturdier build and don't mind the higher cost. The key is matching the guard to your roof, debris level, and maintenance expectations. The bottom line is this: there's no single perfect gutter guard for every home, but there is a best option for your situation. Once you know what to look for and which styles are trusted, choosing the right gutter guard becomes much easier and you can protect your home without second-guessing the decision.